Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of TAL Education. Now, obviously, this has a specific relation with China, and as you can see, the press release, Beijing Crackdown sparks record slides for Chinese stocks in US. Now, if you go through the press release, you will see that the slump in US listed Chinese shares accelerated Tuesday and wrapping up another day of heavy losses as investors shunned the assets amid a broad-based crackdown by regulators in Beijing. And in the span of three trading sessions, the Nasdaq Golden Dragon Chinese Index, which tracks 98 of the China's biggest firms listed in the US, has plunged more than 19%, its biggest such drop on record. Now, obviously, the rest of the things I don't think that makes more of the sense because it's all about the description of the companies like Alibaba, JD, Neo, Baidu, and all those big companies which are listed in global stock exchanges like US. So what's the intention behind that? Nobody knows, but investors across the globe are making heavy losses. And understand one thing: see, crackdown is a state's phenomena. Okay, so that will decide by the state. But when you are talking about the crackdown and which has its ramifications across the globe, then it means there are some intentions to hurt other people's money. Okay, and we have seen these kind of tactics. So we don't know the reason yet, but yes, uh, the stock prices has fallen very severely. And understand one thing that when you are making companies into NGOs, you are telling companies, or you are just you know order them to just transform themselves into a NGO, and obviously the price structure or the trend will definitely change, and it will change over a period of time. Now, what we have seen, so this is the stock price of TAL Education, and this is listed in US. So from the highs of $90, it went down to $4, and now currently quoting at $5.50. Now you have 4.16 as your support, or I would say the stop loss, and on the upside you have 6.46. Okay, 6.46 will be the next target as well as the resistance. Now, if there is a breakout beyond 6.46 or $6.50, then you have your next target worth $20 or $21. But there is a big if, because we can't say that this will be the end of the stock price fall. Why? The simple reason is now this becomes, and this kind of, if this kind of companies turned itself into NGOs, then we don't know how the NGOs get valuated. So there are index on NGOs or social reforms, but they are not the kind of you know companies where people are interested, because you can't make money. You can save your taxes, but you can't make money out of it. So we have to see. But if you are looking in this particular company, more specifically in this particular sector, understand one thing. uh, I'm talking about the stock and its trend. So for the time being, don't even try to go below 4.16, because if it falls, then obviously it has further ramifications, and the next support will be at $2 and further $1.19 on the downside. So this is a risky bet. You can't say that this is a value bet, because the dynamics has changed, and it has forcefully changed by the state. And if you are Chinese backed company and you have your roots, obviously uh, you can't make money, and if you are making money, uh, you can't show it to them. So there are lots of things that will change. So keep this thing in your mind before thinking that you are picking up a value bet. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.